I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some ass, bring it in, bitch I'm the new, seeing it, yeah.
Yo, what's good, Granny Gang? It's Granny back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna talk about Suicoke Sandals and why I feel like they are still one of the hottest pickups for summer 2019. So I got 4 pairs of Suicokes right here. Actually, I'm only gonna show you guys 3 of them because one of them is an older pair. But basically, what I wanted to do in this video was give y'all a quick unboxing so you know what you're getting into before you spend 200 plus on a sandal. 2, I'm gonna talk about the comfortability and whether or not I feel like they're worth the price and some outfits that I styled with them. And lastly, I'm gonna show you guys the outfits that I put with them in kind of like a lookbook style video. So make sure you watch the whole thing the entire way through so y'all can catch every detail about these. So there's 2 different types of models of Suicokes that I have today. One is the moto, which is a lot more common, I believe, and then 2 is the Kaws. So I got the black pair and the white pair of the Moto 2s, then I got a red pair in the Kaws version. So first off, we're gonna go over this white pair of Suicoke Motos, and pretty much it comes in a white Suicoke box. All of them come like this. I don't know if any special collaborations come in a different box, but all the ones that I got come in this white box with Suicoke across the top. Then on the side, you have your details, sizing, colorway, all that good stuff. And pretty much once you open the box up, you're greeted by the Suicoke tissue paper. Then once you unwrap them, you got your shoes. Now the pricing on these is $265, which with that pricing, I kind of was expecting a lot more with the packaging, at least in my opinion. But overall, the shoe is designed very well. You have Vibram soles. Then you got the nice strap, double folded over mechanism at the top of the sandal, which gives that real nice bulky look. Now, there's a lot of different comfort areas on this sandal. On the back of the heel, you got this nice little cushioned pod for your heel to sit on. In the arc of your foot, you also have a nice extruded cushion right here. And then you have it right there across like the ball of your foot. So everything is kind of in place to where your foot should sit snug. Now the sole is really stiff, so if you were looking for something that's like really soft and cushiony, this really isn't it. But I think it is comfortable once you get used to it and once you start wearing it, because you realize that it's not like soft and squishy and it's not gonna wear out on you. So the sole is made really, really tough and durable. Then when you unstrap them, pretty much what you have is this belt loop mechanism with an extra little pad under it, or like looped on top of the strap, I guess you could say. You guys will be able to see the details, but I think the design of them is really nice and it's something that stands out. I believe this is a Japan-based brand, so that whole aesthetic you can kind of see where it comes from. Now I know a lot of people were like, do you wear these with socks or not? A lot of people were like, yo, they're not supposed to be made with socks because your foot is supposed to grip to the soles and socks kind of has your foot slip out. But I haven't had too many problems with wearing these with socks. I always wear mine with socks. And it's just like a regular slide. I mean, your foot does slip out just a little bit, but I think that's just because of the design of the upper and how thick it is, but you should be fine. Now this right here is the Kaw pair, and they're the red ones, of course, and the only difference between the box is the diagram that shows you that it's a different model. So pretty much you open it up and you're greeted by the same paper, and then you have your Suicokes right here and the exact same build. I will say this sole seems a lot thicker. It's not like a huge difference, but you can tell the comfort on everything is exactly the same. You have your same exact focused areas of comfort. But the biggest difference on the design of these is the upper. The upper has different straps to it. The straps are more on the outer edge of the sandal. They still serve the same purpose, but it's just a different design, basically. So these have a lot more of an open look. They look a lot more subtle. So if you were looking for something that didn't have those huge straps in your face, this might be a pair you want to go with. They do have different colorways in these. I don't know the exact ones, but I know specifically I was looking for a red pair, and this was one that they carried. They do have red in the Motos as well, so you can get that same model, but that one usually is sold out a lot quicker. Now, like I said, there is a couple of differences within this one. The comfort is pretty much the same. For whatever reason, these do run a lot higher. These are $345 as compared to those which are $265. So I'm not quite sure if you want to go up like a whole nother $100 just to get this different model. It is thicker, like I said. Maybe it's more durable. I don't know. I haven't had these for too long, but The overall design is dope and the colorway is dope. So that's it for the unboxing. I did want to show you guys all of the pairs so that you can see them. Black pair, white pair, red pair, and then this is the first one that I ever purchased, which was the multicolored. So you can also catch these on a sale. I know Essence has a sale. I know Farfetch usually has sales, so you can probably catch them for under retail. I believe I got these for $200 off of Essence, and I got those for like $160 on a sale. So you can catch them on a sale. These I've never caught on a sale, and the white pair is usually sold out. So now getting into the outfits that I wore with these, we're gonna start off with the red pair. Now the red pair is one of those you can wear a bunch of different ways. It's a lot of different contrasts you can wear with an all red shoe, as y'all have seen in previous all red shoes like the Red Octobers, where you can kind of just see people wearing the red shoes with anything. But I think they go really good with this outfit. This is more of like a brownish outfit. Now for the top, I have this Profound Times Pepsi t-shirt, which I just think added to the whole red look perfectly. It has a slight bit of red in the roses on this graphic. Now since there's just a slight bit of red in this shirt, I wanted to accent it a little bit more with this red bandana. I just tied it across the neck. Now to add to the shirt and give it a little more flair and detail, I added these MX DVS shoulder bags, which I like to add a lot, especially in the summertime, because it makes your t-shirt look like it's a little bit more. For the pants, I have this old biker distressed denims from Other UK, and I just think that this whole rusted colorway looks perfect with this whole overall outfit. Now the second outfit, I styled the black pair. Now the black pair, if I was you, I would cop first, because this black pair I literally wear every day, bro. I'm telling you, they go with everything, whether your outfit be all white, all black, all one color. The black pair is the one to go with. Now for the outfit, on the top, I got this Nirvana striped sweater. Really nice, lightweight sweater. I like the fit of it. It kind of has an open bottom, so it doesn't really like cling tight to you. To match the yellow in the Nirvana, I went ahead and added these new shorts that I got from my boy Fences. If you want to check out his Instagram, I'll put it up. But these are a dope pair of shorts. It has this nice graphic right here at the bottom, which is the little Rico graphic. And then right here you have a nice bold Fences logo. And I just think that logo down the leg is like perfect. Now last but not least, we got the all white pair. Now the all white pair I've always had my eye on, and I was gonna purchase it at the same time as they did the black pair. But I was kind of on the fence. I was like, these might get super dirty and they might look terrible. But the way that they're designed and the materials that they're made out of, I actually think they will hold up really well. Now for the top, I got this Beat Worldwide t-shirt in this pigmented blue colorway, which I think goes perfect with that white. And for the pants, we got these cargos by Your Cool Wear. Recently got these, and I just think they're just crazy, bro. Like, these pants in general, you can wear with a really plain top and they will still stand out. To finish the outfit off, I got this bag by 51% that y'all probably seen everywhere and a lot now, but I went ahead and added to the outfit because I think it needed an extra pop of white, especially with just having like the blue and the khaki. So now that you guys have seen all the outfits, I'm gonna jump right into this detailed lookbook right now.
I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some eyes, bring it in, bitch I'm the norm, seeing it, yeah, reel it in. I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some eyes, bring it in, bitch I'm the norm, seeing it, yeah, reel it in. I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some eyes, bring it in, bitch I'm the norm, seeing it, yeah, reel it in. I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some eyes, bring it in, bitch I'm the norm, seeing it, yeah, reel it in. I got the bag, bring it in, bitch I'm the norm, seeing it, yeah.
So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you go down, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my social medias. I got Snapchat and Instagram at Jane Grundy. So make sure you follow the Instagram, especially if you want to see these looks. I tell you, got tons of fire looks on there. All the inspo is on there. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm back to it more.
Yeah, reel it in. I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some eyes, bring it in, bitch I'm the norm, seeing it, yeah, reel it in. I got the bag, bring it in, bitch I'm the norm, seeing it, yeah.